Hidden among forests and canals near Heemskerk in North Holland, Assumburg Castle stands as a classic example of a medieval Dutch stronghold, shaped by feudal rivalry and regional power. The castle's origins trace back to the 13th century, when the lords of Assumburg constructed a fortified residence to control surrounding lands. At a time when Holland was divided among competing nobles, castles like Assumburg served as symbols of authority as much as instruments of defence. Assumburg Castle was designed as a moated fortress with thick brick walls, corner towers and limited access points. Its water defences reflected the unique landscape of the Low Countries, where control of waterways was often more decisive than sheer height or stone. Throughout the late Middle Ages, the castle changed hands multiple times, becoming entangled in regional conflicts between noble families and the Counts of Holland. Each transfer left architectural marks, gradually expanding and reinforcing the structure. By the early modern period, Assumburg Castle lost its military importance. It was adapted into a residential estate and later fell into decline as noble power waned and warfare evolved beyond medieval fortifications. In the 20th century, the castle was restored and repurposed for public use. Today, Assumburg Castle serves as an educational and cultural site, allowing visitors to explore medieval architecture within a distinctly Dutch landscape of water, brick, and low horizons.